Do you want to speak in English? Do you want to speak in English fluently? Do you want to speak in English fearlessly or effortlessly? Then don't go anywhere, this video is for you. Hi, I am Nipak. Welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new over here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my next videos. So let's start the video. Nowadays everyone wants to learn English. Everyone wants to speak in English. It not only makes people better or smarter, but also provide more opportunities in any field wherever they go. And nowadays English is a very important language wherever you go. If you go for a job, if you go for an interview, if you go for any competitive examination, English is also needed because it has become a language of communication in our professional life. Moreover, it is an international language. It helps one to communicate with any other people if he goes any other state or any other country in the world. So to say, it is a very important language and we all should know English. And when we are going to learn English, or when we are going to learn to speak in English, we should keep in mind one thing, that we should focus English as a language, not as a subject. And in the beginning, when we are going to learn English, we face many problems because it is a foreign language. Guys, in this video I am going to provide you some tips which will be very helpful, and it is very also important in the journey of your learning English. At first, I would like to suggest you to grow love for English. Guys, if you want to learn anything or any new thing, you have to spend some time with it. In this case, you are going to learn a language which is not your mother tongue. So you have to spend some time with it. You have to think in it. You have to try to speak in it. As you are going to learn English, or you are going to learn to speak in English, so you have to spend some time regularly with it. You have to think in English. You have to try to speak in English. You have to practice to speak in English. More to say, you have to fall in love with English. Like if anyone falls in love with anyone, he thinks of that person, he imagines that person, he dreams that person, even he wants to spend some time with that person. In the same way, you have to grow love for English and you have to spend some time regularly with English. The second thing I would like to say is to remove fear and shame. As English is a foreign language, many people are afraid of it. They think it as very tough, but believe me, English is not as tough as you think. It is a very sweet language too. And another thing which I would like to mention, that there are many people who know English, who can write English, who can read English, and they can understand English, but when it comes to speak, they become afraid. It feels like something stuck in their throat and their mind goes blank. Guys, it happens because of fear, because of lack of confidence, and you have to remove that fear from your mind. And there are many people who think, when I go to speak in English, or when I speak in English, if I make any wrong or make any mistake, then other people make fun of me. So guys, don't think of others, don't care if anyone judge you wrong. And I think you all know the saying that to err is human. You can learn anything by making mistakes, and practice makes perfection, or practice brings perfection. And one thing you should keep in mind, that human beings can do anything, and you can say in yourself that I can do it. I can speak in English and I will be able to speak in English. If you think positively, then positive things will happen to you. One day will come when you will be able to speak in English, and the day is not so far. So if you have fear or shame, then remove this from your mind, and you will be able to speak in English if you practice it regularly. And the third thing which I will suggest you, to make strong determination. There are so many people who wants to learn English, who wants to speak in English. They start also very well. They work hard in the beginning, but after a week or after 10 days, 15 days, even after a month, they feel tired. Then they don't put that much effort with which they start. Guys, such attitude is not right for anything you want to learn. You should spend some time with it regularly. And to say, you should have a strong determination in your mind to learn English. At any point of time, you should not lose hope of learning English. So I hope you understand what I mean. In the next video, I will come with some tips which will be very helpful to learn English or learn spoken English. Before end, another thing I would like to inform you that I have another channel named Nag English Tutorial, where I used to provide videos for class 9 to 12 of West Bengal Board. There I also provide grammars and writing skills like notice writing, report writing, letter writing, essay writing or paragraph writing. These kinds of writing skill I provide there. If you are a student of West Bengal Board or if you want writing skills, then you can follow that channel. I will provide the link of that channel in the description box of this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.